Today, I'm going to learn you 5 delicious fast food recipes. Let's go to the video. Number 1. Korean Yangnyeom Chicken dish. Add into the bowl slices chicken breast, then mix salt, pepper, ginger garlic paste, and soya sauce. Then take another bowl and mix 1 egg, corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt, and your seasoned chicken. Now fry twice in deep oil. Okay, now we're going to prepare our sauce. Add into the pan oil, then add garlic, ketchup, ramen sauce, honey, vinegar, soya sauce, and mix all together. Then add your fried chicken and toss until spread sauce in all chicken. Our chicken dish is ready now. Sprinkle with sesame seeds for take more rich look. Number 2. Garlic butter cheese toast. Chop some garlic, then coriander leaves. Now take a bowl and mix some unsalted butter, coriander leaves, chopped garlic, and chili flakes. Now take 2 slices of bread and spread the mixture. Then turn another side and add mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Next, close the bread. Now we are going to toast. Toast the both of sides until coming golden brown like this. Our toast is ready to eat now. Guys, this fragrance definitely you need to feel. Number 3. Chicken bread rolls. This one also tasty sort. Eat easily, you can make it home. Let's go to the Czech recipe. Peel the potatoes. Cut into small pieces. Boil it until soft and mash. Add 10 grams butter onto the pan. After the melt butter, add carrot, onion, garlic, capsicum, coriander leaves, and green chili. Fry until coming fragrant and add chopped grilled chicken or boiled chicken. Then add chili powder, black pepper, turmeric, curry powder, and sriracha. Mix well. Now add the potatoes we mashed before. Mix again. Now take few slices of bread and remove the frame. Now, use a rolling pin to roll the bread slices very thinly, then add your mixture top on the bread and roll nicely. Then beat 2 eggs. Then dip nicely your bread rolls inside egg mixture. After that, crush your remaining bread frames and make the breadcrumbs. Coating your bread rolls nicely with breadcrumbs and fry your spring rolls nicely in deep oil until coming golden brown. Now our spring rolls are ready to eat. Subscribe Chef Savindu for learning more delicious recipes. Number 4. Creamy garlic chicken dish. Take chicken breast and mix salt, pepper, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste, corn flour, and mix all together. Add 2 spoon oil to pan, and after the warm oil, add your seasoned chicken breast. Fry your chicken both of sides until cooked well. Add into pan butter, then add garlic and fry until fragrance. Cooking frame and mix together. Now add lemon juice, chicken, stock powder, chili flakes, and mix together. Now we are adding our already prepared chicken and mix properly. Our creamy garlic chicken dish is ready to eat now. This chicken dish very easy to make and have rich taste and fragrance also. Number 5. Club sandwich. Let's go to the video. Okay, take 3 slices bread and remove the frame. Now heat the pan and add 10 gram butter. After melting butter, toasting our bread nicely both of sides like this until coming golden brown. Now add into the pan 1 egg and add salt and pepper. Then remove egg and add 2 slices chicken breast and cook nicely both of sides. Don't forget to add salt and pepper. After that, we are adding 2 slices of beef bacon. Now we are going to prepare our sauce. Add into the bowl mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, paprika, and mix together. Now we are going to prepare our sandwich. Take 1 slice bread and spread the sauce. Add lettuce, onion, tomato, cucumber, and 1 more slice of bread and spread sauce again. Now add egg, chicken, bacon, and close the sandwich with 1 more slice bread and cut into half. This sandwich is very easy to prepare for your breakfast table and taste also very rich. If you like watching more delicious recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe Chef Savindu. Thanks for watching.